Hey, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining. So this pretty much is a follow-up video on how to remove the back of this Invicta watch. I did a video a little while back where I replaced the battery, but I had already taken the back off and described my ordeal in getting the back off, and then some people said, well, you know, we wish you would have showed it, so here we go. This, first of all, let's take the spring bar off of this, so that we can open this band up and make it a lot easier to get to the back of the watch. So let's push down on that. Here's the spring bar. We'll put that aside. And here's the back of the watch. Now, as you can see, the watch back on this watch, it looks like this is a screw-off back. You see the notches here, and you use one of these things, or one of these things. I know that's not the technical name, one of these things, but you use one of those to unscrew the watch back. However, I tried many times, it would not unscrew. I didn't know why. So I even had to bring it to a watch one of those watch kiosks. You can bring it to a jewelry store also. And they also tried to unscrew the back, and they could not do it. And then they figured out that this is not a screw-off back. It's a snap-off back. Why they put these notches in, I don't know, to make it look like it's a screw-off back, but this is a snap-off back. So here's a pry tool. Very inexpensive on Amazon, and you just got to find, there's usually a little notch somewhere here. I think this is it. And you get in there, and, and that's it. So there we go. The battery is under here, and I will put a link in the description to the watch battery replacement video. And again, here we go. This is a snap-off back, not a screw-on. There are no threads there. You can see here, here's the little gasket to keep this waterproof or water-resistant, whichever. And that's it. So if you want to know how to replace this battery, check out the video on how to do that. And it's really not that difficult. Just take this off, and there we go. So thanks for joining. We'll see you next time. Take care.